What if I told you this pink Mopar tribute packs legendary HEMI power and turns more heads than a $1 million muscle car? The moment this 1970 Plymouth Barracuda Convertible HEMI Tribute comes into view, everything else around it seems to disappear. The sunlight dances across its stunning Moulin Rouge paint, a color so bold, so unforgettable, that it instantly transports you back to the golden age of American muscle. This isn't just another classic convertible. This is a rolling celebration of one of the most legendary names in automotive history. Long before modern supercars filled social media feeds, the Plymouth Cuda ruled the streets with an attitude that couldn't be ignored. And this tribute captures that spirit perfectly. From every angle, it delivers the unmistakable presence that made the original HEMI Cuda convertible one of the most desirable muscle cars ever built. The first thing that grabs your attention is that incredible Moulin Rouge finish. Offered for only a single model year, this color wasn't created for people who wanted to blend in. It was designed for drivers who wanted to stand apart from everything else on the road. Decades later, it still commands attention like few automotive colors ever have. As you walk around the car, the long hood stretches out ahead with purpose. The aggressive front grille, sculpted body lines, and muscular stance remind you why the E-body Mopars are considered some of the most beautiful muscle cars ever produced. Every curve tells a story. Every reflection highlights the craftsmanship invested into this remarkable build. Then there's the fact that this Barracuda retains its original body panels. That's an important detail that enthusiasts immediately appreciate. Rather than relying on replacement sheet metal, this car preserves much of its authentic character while benefiting from a full repaint that brings the Moulin Rouge finish to life with incredible depth and shine. But this car isn't simply about appearance. Lift the hood and you're greeted by one of the most legendary engine names in automotive history, the 426 HEMI. Even today, the word HEMI instantly sparks excitement among muscle car enthusiasts. Massive power, unmistakable sound, and an intimidating reputation made the engine a legend during the horsepower wars of the late 1960s and early 1970s. Nestled beneath the hood is a 426 HEMI V8 breathing through an Edelbrock single 4-barrel carburetor and aluminum Mopar intake manifold. It's a setup that perfectly balances performance, reliability, and classic muscle car character. Turn the key, the engine erupts to life with a deep, commanding rumble that shakes the air around it. There's nothing artificial here, no digital sound enhancement, no turbochargers muting the experience, just pure American V8 thunder. Every pulse from the exhaust reminds you why engines like this became legends. And when it comes time to put that power to the pavement, this tribute delivers one of the most engaging driving experiences possible. Connected directly to the HEMI is the iconic A833 4-speed manual transmission. This gearbox has earned its reputation among Mopar enthusiasts for durability and driver involvement. Every shift feels mechanical, deliberate, and satisfying. You don't simply drive this car. You become part of the machine. The connection between driver, clutch, shifter, and engine creates an experience that modern performance cars often struggle to replicate. Backing up the drivetrain is the trusted 8/3-inch rear axle equipped with a 3.23 Sure Grip differential. This setup provides excellent traction while maintaining comfortable cruising characteristics, making the car equally enjoyable on weekend drives and car show appearances. Despite its aggressive personality, this Barracuda offers comfort where it matters. Power steering helps tame the muscle, while front disc brakes provide confident stopping power. Rear drum brakes maintain period-correct character while supporting the overall driving experience. Slide into the cabin, and the contrast between the vibrant exterior and white vinyl interior creates an atmosphere that's both sporty and elegant. The seats, door panels, and interior trim complement the Moulin Rouge paint beautifully, creating a presentation that feels uniquely 1970. Drop the manual convertible top and everything changes. Suddenly, every drive becomes an event. The sound of the HEMI fills the air. The wind flows through the cabin. The bright pink paint reflects sunlight in every direction. People point. Cameras appear. Conversations begin. Few vehicles create this level of attention without even trying. Part of that appeal comes from the rarity and mythology surrounding the original HEMI Cuda convertible. Authentic factory examples have become some of the most valuable American muscle cars ever produced, with prices reaching into the millions. That exclusivity transformed them into automotive legends. This tribute captures that same visual impact and emotional excitement while remaining attainable compared to the unobtainable originals. Another fascinating detail accompanies the sale. Included with the vehicle is the numbers-matching 318 cubic inch engine originally associated with the car. For collectors, this adds another layer of value and history. It provides a direct connection to the car's origins while preserving future options for ownership. What makes this build especially impressive is how well every component works together. The stunning one-year-only Moulin Rouge color, the legendary 426 HEMI power plant, the 4-speed manual transmission, the white vinyl interior, the convertible body style, the original body panels. Each feature contributes to a package that feels authentic, exciting, and unforgettable. And perhaps that's what makes this Barracuda so special. It isn't chasing modern trends. It isn't trying to imitate today's performance cars. Instead, it celebrates a time when horsepower ruled the streets, when muscle cars wore outrageous colors with confidence, and when driving was about emotion as much as speed. With just 5,013 miles since its rebuild, this HEMI tribute stands as a beautifully restored example of American muscle culture at its finest. At an asking price of $199,995, it's more than a classic car. It's a statement, a conversation starter, a showstopper, a machine that captures the spirit of one of the greatest eras in automotive history. And every time that 426 HEMI roars to life beneath that sea of Moulin Rouge paint, it reminds everyone within earshot exactly why the legend of the Cuda continues to endure more than half a century later.